Hi dear students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to give you exercises of the lesson The Piece of String, which you have to study under optional English of grade 11 according to new course. Let's get started.
Learn English with Lakshman.
Choose the correct alternative. A. What is the primary reason for the peasants to travel to Godarville? To attend a wedding, to visit family, to sell and buy goods at the market, to celebrate a festival. यसको सही एन्सर के हुन्छ त भन्दा गाउँलेहरू गोडरबिलतिर किन जाँदै थिए त भन्दाखेरि सामानहरू खरिद र बिक्री गर्न मार्केटमा. नम्बर बी. हाउ आर द मेन्स अपियरेन्सेस डिस्क्राइब्ड इन द स्टोरी? त्यहाँका मान्छेहरूको अपियरेन्स कस्तो थियो त भन्दा वेल ड्रेस्ड एन्ड निट, डर्टी एन्ड रस्टिक, clothed in fine silks, wearing colorful uniform. यसको सही एन्सर के हुन्छ त भन्दा तिनीहरू कस्ता थिए त भन्दा डर्टी एन्ड रस्टिक. सी. What did Maitre Hodgkin pick up from the ground? ग्राउन्डबाट हजकर्नले कुन कुरा उठायो? A pocket book, a piece of string, a gold coin, a handkerchief. यसको सही एन्सर हो a piece of string. Number D. Why did Maitre Hodgkin feel ashamed when picking up the object? त्यो उठाउँदा उसलाई किन अप्ठ्यारो महसुस भयो, किन लाज माने जस्तो भयो? He thought someone was watching. He felt it was beneath him to pick up trash. He disliked the person who accused him. He was embarrassed about his poverty. यसको सही एन्सर के हुन्छ त भन्दा he thought someone was watching. अब नम्बर नेक्स्ट. What item was announced as lost by the public crier at the market? कुन कुरा हराएको भन्ने हल्ला चलेको थियो त भन्दा a gold watch, a leather wallet, a pocket book containing money, a precious necklace. त्यसमा हराएको के थियो त भन्दा a pocket book. Number F. Who accused Maitre Hodgkin of picking up pocket book? पकेट बुक चोर्यो भनेर हजकर्नलाई आरोप कसले लगायो? द मेयर, द शपकीपर, मेट्रे मेलेन्डेन, ट्राभलर. यो कसले आरोप लगायो त भन्दा मेट्रे मेलेन्डेनले. What happened to the pocket book eventually? पकेट बुक के भयो त अन्तमा? It was never found. It was returned by an honest villager. It was discovered in the possession of a thief. It was found by the roadside. यसको सही एन्सर के हो त भन्दा it was returned by an honest villager. Number next. What was the lasting effect of the incident on Maitre Hodgkin? हजकर्नलाई कस्तो असर पर्यो त यो घटनाबाट? ल अप्सनमा he became a respectable figure in the village. He developed a reputation for dishonesty. He moved away from Godarville. He lived a peaceful and content life. यसमा के हो त भन्दा सही अप्सन he developed a reputation for dishonesty. अब क्वेशन एन्सर. Why did Maitre Hodgkin initially try to hide what he picked up? जब सुरुमा उसले केही कुरा उठायो नि उसले उठाएको चीज किन लुकाउन खोज्यो? Maitre Hodgkin bent down to pick up a small piece of string while walking along the road, but he immediately tried to hide it. He feared that the villagers would laugh at him for being stingy or petty. Hodgkin was proud and sensitive, and he valued his reputation highly. Even a trivial action seemed potentially embarrassing, so he wanted to protect his dignity and avoid gossip from people who constantly watched others' behavior. However, his minor action led to serious consequences. His enemy, Maitre Melenden, accused him of suspicious behavior, and the villagers believed him. What began as a harmless act escalated into a misunderstanding that ruined his reputation. Maupassant shows how, in a close knit community, even trivial matters can attract scrutiny, and human pride combined with gossip can humiliate an innocent person. Hodgkin's sensitivity and desire to protect his honor ironically led to his downfall. B. How did the people react to Maitre Hodgkin's story after the pocketbook was found? After the missing pocketbook was returned by sorry, after the missing pocketbook was returned by another man, Hodgkin hoped that the villagers would finally believe him. He expected relief and recognition of his innocence, but they remained suspicious. People whispered, laughed behind his back, and treated him as if he were guilty, assuming he had cleverly avoided blame. His honest explanations were dismissed as excuses, and no one trusted him. Despite clear evidence, the villagers refused to accept the truth. Their continued gossip and suspicion caused him frustration and humiliation. This action shows Maupassant's theme that society often mistrusts the innocent and exaggerates minor incidents. Even when the truth is evident, public opinion can remain biased, leaving individuals like Hodgkin socially isolated. The story emphasizes how rumor and collective judgment can destroy a person's peace, health, and reputation. How did the villagers generally react to Hodgkin's persistent claim of innocence? जब हर्च जब हजकर्नले लगातार भनिरह्यो म निर्दोष छु म निर्दोष छु म निर्दोष छु भनेर उसले भनिरहेथ्यो नि त्यो बेलामा गाउँलेहरूको प्रतिक्रिया कस्तो थियो त As Hotskar repeatedly insisted on his innocence, the villagers' suspicions increased. They argued that a truly innocent person would not explain so much. His persistence seemed suspicious, and people whispered, laughed, and treated him coldly. His constant defense did not help but made him feel isolated, misunderstood, and socially rejected. Over time, even neutral villagers sided against him. Hodgkin's repeated claims only strengthened the rumor. The stress, humiliation, and social rejection gradually weakened his health and spirit. Maupassant highlights how gossip and public suspicion can destroy a person's reputation and well being. Insisting on one's innocence may not convince others, especially when envy, rivalry, and past conflicts influence public opinion. The story emphasizes society's harsh judgment and the power of rumor over truth. Who was Maitre Melenden and what role did he play? यो Maitre Melenden भनेको को हो र उसले कस्तो रोल देखायो? Maitre Melenden was Hodgkin's long-time rival and a harness maker. They had quarreled in the past, and he eagerly accused Hodgkin during the string incident. Melenden claimed he saw Hodgkin bending down suspiciously, suggesting he was trying to steal something. His accusation was accepted by the villagers who trusted him more than Hodgkin due to their past conflict. Melanden's role shows how personal grudges and false testimony can escalate minor understanding into major social consequences. The villagers' trust in Melenden led to Hodgkin's humiliation and ruined reputation. The story illustrates the destructive power of envy, gossip, and society's tendency to favor those with conflict based motives. Ultimately, Melanden's false claim destroys Hodgkin's peace, showing how quickly rumor can overwhelm truth in a small community, leaving an innocent person helpless and socially vulnerable. What was the final consequence of the incident for Maitre Hodgkin? Maitre Hodgkinलाई यो इन्सिडेन्टले अर्थात् यो घटनाले के रिजल्ट ल्यायो? म्याट्रे हजकर्नलाई कस्तो असर पार्यो त? The incident completely destroyed Hodgkin's peace and reputation. Despite being innocent, no one believed him. He became obsessed with defending himself, repeating the story to everyone, but this only reinforced the rumor. Constant humiliation and anxiety gradually affected his health and mental well being. He was socially isolated, emotionally exhausted, and mentally tortured by people's disbelief. By the end, Hodgkin died, still insisting that he had only picked up a small piece of string. Maupassant emphasizes how false accusation and gossip can ruin an innocent person's life. Even trivial actions, when misunderstood and combined with rivalry or envy, can have tragic consequences. The story illustrates society's harsh judgment, human cruelty, and the power of rumors to destroy an individual's life, leaving the innocent helpless and socially destroyed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.